Alright, picture this. You're navigating the crypto world, juggling different wallets, and you just want simplicity. You've heard about Beam Wallet, privacy-focused, sleek, but a burning question lingers. Does Beam Wallet have BTC? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's dive in. The crypto landscape is a whirlwind. We've got Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, Ethereum, the smart contract powerhouse, and a whole host of altcoins vying for attention. Then there's the growing need for privacy. In a world where transactions can be traced, the desire for anonymity is real. This is where Beam Wallet steps in. Beam Wallet gained traction by prioritizing privacy. It's built on the Mimblewimble protocol, known for its confidentiality features. Transactions are obscured, amounts are hidden, and user identities are protected. This makes it a popular choice for those who value their financial privacy. But, and this is a big but, Beam Wallet's primary focus has always been on its native token, Beam. So, let's get straight to the point. Does Beam Wallet natively support Bitcoin? The short answer is no. Beam Wallet is designed to handle Beam transactions. It's built around the Mimblewimble protocol, which is fundamentally different from Bitcoin's blockchain structure. This means direct, native support for Bitcoin isn't a feature you'll find within Beam Wallet itself. Now, this doesn't mean you can't interact with Bitcoin in the broader ecosystem. There are bridges and wrap tokens that aim to connect different blockchains. You might find projects that allow you to wrap Bitcoin, essentially creating a representation of it on another blockchain, and potentially using that within a privacy-focused environment. However, these solutions often involve third-party services and come with their own set of risks and complexities. Why this limitation? Well, the Mimblewimble protocol and Bitcoin's UTXO model are inherently different. Bridging these two requires significant technical work and introduces potential security concerns. Beam Wallet's developers have chosen to focus on the privacy features of their native chain, which is a strategic decision. This brings up a crucial point about crypto wallets in general. They're tools designed for specific blockchains. Some wallets are multi-currency, supporting a wide range of assets, while others, like Beam Wallet, specialize in a particular ecosystem. Understanding this specialization is key to navigating the crypto world effectively. Think of it like this: you wouldn't use a screwdriver to hammer a nail, right? Similarly, you wouldn't expect a wallet designed for a specific protocol to inherently support a completely different blockchain. While interoperability is a growing trend, it's still a work in progress. It's also important to remember that the crypto space is constantly evolving. New projects and solutions are emerging all the time. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. So, keeping an eye on developments in blockchain technology and interoperability is crucial. Beam Wallet, with its focus on privacy through the Mimblewimble protocol, does not natively support Bitcoin. While bridges and wrap tokens might offer indirect ways to interact with Bitcoin within privacy-focused environments, these solutions come with their own set of considerations. Always do your own research and understand the risks before using any third-party services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.